Today, the world's most elite chefs have a secret that can change the game of any meal. Imagine a dish that's both visually stunning and packed with flavor, but requires only a few simple ingredients. This phenomenon occurs when the perfect balance of colors, textures, and aromas come together in harmony. For centuries, chefs have been perfecting the art of plating, and the results are nothing short of breathtaking. From the delicate arrangement of garnishes to the strategic placement of main ingredients, every element is carefully considered. But what if I told you that the key to creating these show-stopping dishes lies in something much simpler than you'd think? It all starts with a single ingredient, the humble vegetable. You see, vegetables have been the unsung heroes of the culinary world for far too long. But when combined with the right techniques and presentation, they can become the stars of the show. Take, for example, the humble beetroot. Imagine a deep red beetroot, its skin glistening with dew, placed artfully on a bed of crisp greens. The sweetness of the beetroot pairs perfectly with the tanginess of the greens, creating a flavor combination that's both familiar and exciting.
But what makes this dish truly special is the way it's presented.
The beetroot is arranged in a delicate pattern, almost like a work of art. The chef has carefully considered every aspect of the dish, from the color palette to the texture of the ingredients, and the result is a dish that's both visually stunning and incredibly flavorful. But that's not the strangest part. The chef has used a technique called deconstruction to create this dish. It's like taking a beautiful building and tearing it down to its individual components. In this case, the chef has broken down the traditional concept of a meal into its individual elements. Each component is carefully crafted to create a harmonious whole, rather than a traditional plate of food. And the effect is nothing short of magical. You can see the excitement on the diner's face as they take their first bite. Their eyes light up with delight as the flavors and textures come together in a perfect symphony. It's a truly immersive experience, one that will leave you wanting more. And that's exactly what the chef is aiming for. They want to create a sense of wonder and awe in their diners, to transport them to a world of pure delight. It's a lofty goal, but one that the chef is more than capable of achieving. After all, they've spent years perfecting their craft. They've honed their skills to the point where they can create dishes that are both beautiful and delicious. And it's not just about the food itself. It's about the experience as a whole. The atmosphere, the service, the presentation, everything is carefully considered to create a truly unforgettable experience. And that's exactly what the chef has achieved with this dish. It's a true masterpiece, one that will be remembered for years to come. But wait until you hear what comes next. The chef has a surprise in store for their diners. They've created a special menu item, one that's unlike anything they've ever made before. It's a dish that will push the boundaries of culinary art and leave diners speechless. And it's all thanks to the humble vegetable. You see, the chef has discovered a way to take the ordinary and turn it into the extraordinary. It's a skill that's both impressive and humbling, and it's one that will leave you wondering how you ever lived without it. The chef has single-handedly changed the game of culinary art, and it's all thanks to their passion, creativity, and dedication to their craft. They're a true artist, one who sees the world in a way that's both unique and captivating. And that's exactly what makes their dishes so special. They're not just meals, they're experiences. Experiences that will leave you feeling inspired, motivated, and eager for more. And that's exactly what the chef is aiming for. They want to create a sense of wonder and awe in their diners, to transport them to a world of pure delight. It's a lofty goal, but one that the chef is more than capable of achieving. After all, they've spent years perfecting their craft.
They've honed their skills to the point where they can create dishes that are both beautiful and delicious.
And it's not just about the food itself. It's about the experience as a whole. The atmosphere, the service, the presentation, everything is carefully considered to create a truly unforgettable experience. And that's exactly what the chef has achieved with this dish. It's a true masterpiece, one that will be remembered for years to come. And that's why I'm excited to share this story with you. I hope you've enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at the world of culinary art. It's a world that's full of creativity, passion, and dedication to the craft. Part of
So if you're ready to be inspired, motivated, and delighted, then subscribe to my channel for more incredible stories like this.
And don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below to let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.